National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma, Hardeman County in northern Texas, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located 7 miles north of Quanah and 6 miles northwest of Goodlett, moving south at 20 miles per hour. A wind gust of 66 miles per hour was measured 3 miles west of Goodlett just before 6 p.m. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Quanah, Goodlett, Madison Mound, Copper Break State Park, and Lazare. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.